Hello students, welcome in YouTube channel Arvind's E-Classes, which is a educational channel, and here we are discussing your class 10 FIT course, and it is your HTML chapter. And those are new, I want to guide them better they go through this channel and explore all the useful tutorials. So without wasting time, let us discuss what we are going to see in this tutorial. And here we have your image tag, and it has around your 6 attributes. And your image tag is very important because we always see your web page with your image tag, and next we will use your image tag with your paragraph tag. So your image tag and a paragraph tag have a very good relationship, and we always use your image tag with your paragraph tag. Third, there is one quiz, and where we will check how much we have learned. And the last, there is one surprise, and we will see what is hidden in this tutorial. So let us jump to our first point, that is your image tag. So this is our image tag, and it has around these 6 attributes. Let us take a look one by one. First one is SRC, which stands source, and here we get a location of our picture, which is saved in any drive, C drive, D drive, or anywhere else in our computer. Second one is align, which stands for alignment, mean to say where we want to set our picture on a web page. Like it could be your left side or right side, top, or you could set your picture at your bottom, right? And the third one is your border in the sense like you want to frame your picture, and here we give a numerical values 1, 2, 3, 4, and as we increase the value of a number, and in the same way its border thickness also increases. And your fourth one is your height in the sense we want to increase the height of our image, and here we also give a value in percent. Next one is your width, mean to say here we set width of our image. Here also we give a percentage of our width. And last one is ALT, which stands alternative, and here we set text, mean to say sometimes our picture is not able to display on a web page. In that case, this text would appear in place of a picture, so it is called alternative text of your image. And one important thing, your image tag is an empty tag because it has only initial tag, no. So let us check practically how we can use image tag in a web page. It is our notepad, and you already know this one is your head of your web page, and this one is your body of your web page. And see what is the output of your this code. See, this is the output of your web page. So let us use your image tag. So here we type in image less than size, and image IMAGE. First one is source, SRC equal to double quote, and here we will set source. So let us first explore a new picture. We go to picture here, double click here, and we take this one, easy picture, and its name is Koala, Koala. Right click over this picture and go to property, and check its path. Click here and select all path. Okay, Control C means copy, and see its folder name, it's a sample pictures, and type, it's a JPG format. Okay, now close it, and file name is Cola, Cola. Keep in your mind, okay, don't forget. So come to path, control V for paste, and backward slash, and file name was Koala. Spelling right. Let us check once more. Koala. Koala, and the file format was JPG. Control S to save this web page, and let us see its output. It's your Explorer, and right click over it, and see your picture is ready. So now we want to reduce its size. It's looking very big, so we will use new tab, and that one is your border. Not a border, it's a height, HEIGHT. After we move it into next line, and here we use height, HEIGHT, height equal to double code, and we give height 40%. It's enough, I think. And the next, width, width, double code, and here we also give 40%. Control, and now I'm going to save it. Now let us refresh this web page, and see your image has been shrinked to your original size. And let us use another attribute, that was border. See, there is no border. Okay, we will use border. So use your next attribute, border, BORDER, equal to, give number, we set 4, thickness of your border. Control S. Now open up your Explorer, refresh, and see here, it's your border. Is it visible? Let us increase border size so that it would be visible to all of you. So we set as 10. Yeah, Control S. Now refresh it. Yeah, I think now it would be visible to you. See, it's this dark black line, it is a border. Another thing very important, by default its alignment is left side. See, it is a left side, it is your right side, it is your top, it is your middle, and it is your bottom. Okay, now we set this as your image at right side here. So we will use your what we call it, align tag, align attribute, ELIGN, equal to double code, and here we type right. Control S. Now let us recheck its output. Refresh your page and see here. Now we have aligned on a right side of your web page. Understood? So now see how many attributes we have used. 1 and 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5. Yeah, last one is left, that is alternate, ELT, and equal to, and you know this alt attribute is used in that case when your image is not able to display due to some technical problem. So what we write? We write Arvind's eclasses, Arvind's eclasses. Okay, now we remove this image name. Okay, Control S. Now check its output. Now see here, your image is not displayed here, but one text is displayed, and it says Arvind's eclasses. Now I think you have understood how we use your alt attribute. Okay, so just now we went through your image tag, and we discussed your source attribute. We also discussed your align attribute, and the third one is your border attribute, height attribute, width attribute, and alternative attributes. And next it is your empty tag, because it has only initial tag. So I think you have understood about your image tag. Now let us use paragraph tag with the image tag, and both have a very good relationship, and we always use this combination when we develop your web page. And next one is your paragraph tag. See here, image tag using with paragraph tag. So it is your paragraph tag here. This one is your paragraph tag, and it is end of your paragraph tag. Okay, here I have done one mistake. Here it should be /. Okay, I type here, yeah, this one. It should be like this /p. Okay, because it is a end of tag. Okay, and here inside paragraph tag we are using your image tag, and you already know about its attribute: source, align, border, and height, width, and alternative. So let us do practical how we can use your image tag with the paragraph tag. It is your notepad, and here we will type your paragraph tag. Paragraph tag, and yeah, it is your paragraph tag. Yeah, next we will, here we better type your image name, that was Pola, POLA.jpg, and next here we will type some text. Better we type Arvind C classes. Okay, copy this, copy it, and paste it. Paste, 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 and let us copy both lines, and paste next line, again next line. Okay, and here we will close your paragraph tag, end of your paragraph tag. And one thing, this way this text will display very light in a very small font, so better we use your heading tag to make it bigger size, H1. Okay, enter, and here we close your heading tag, yeah, H1, and don't forget its alignment. This time it is right aligned. Okay, now let us see its output. Refresh. Now see here, your image is here, and your text has been aligned at the left side of your web page. Okay, now we do one thing. We shift this image here at left side, and this text at the right side. And let us see how we can do it. So open up your notepad, and here we have to do one thing, that is your alignment. Yeah, it is your alignment. And here right, left, LEFT. And save your file and refresh it. And see here, now your image is at the left side of your web page and your text is at the right side of your web page. It is your right side, it is your left side. So this way we format your image with your paragraph. Understood? So it is a very good combination, and this type of question always comes for your 5 marks. It is a 5 marks question where you have to use your image with your paragraph. Understood? So I think you have understood how to use your paragraph and image. Let us see what we just now discussed. And just now we discussed your paragraph tag. It's your initial, it's your end, and don't forget using forward slash, and here it is your image tag, and these are 6 attributes, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this image tag is your empty tag, and your paragraph tag is a container tag. So I think you have understood how we use image tag, and next how we can use image tag with your paragraph tag. Let us move to next. Next is your quiz. So before starting quiz, let us memorize what we discussed in this tutorial. First we discussed your image tag, and it has 6 attributes. First one is your source, that set path of your image. Next is your border, it set frame of your image, and next one is your height, that set height of your image. Width, it set width of your image. And next was your align, it set alignment of your image on a web page, left, right, top, middle and bottom. It has your 5 values. The last was your alternative, that set text in case your image is not able to display on your web page due to some technical problem. On the next phase we discussed how we can use your paragraph tag with your image tag, and we make a very good combination. If you want to set your image on the right side and want to present your text on the left side, and the same way you want to change. So let us start our quiz, and let's move to your first question. First question is, which tag is used to set image in a web page? Yeah, how we set image on a web page, and what is your answer? And yeah, you are saying right, it is a image tag that is used to set image on your web page. Next one is, which attribute is used to set alignment of your image? Alignment in the sense, if you want to paste your picture on the left side, right side, top, bottom. So what we use, align, yeah, right, yeah, it is align, and it has 5 predefined values. The third question, which attribute is the alternative of an image? Due to some technical problem, if our image is not able to display on our web page, and what we use to set one text on a web page, and that one is, yeah, absolutely right, that is ALT, alternative. Come to next question, which attribute is used to fetch picture on your web page? So it set path, like your image is on a C drive, in any folder. So what we use, yeah, you are right, it is your source, src. Come to next question, which attribute sets border of your image? Border in the sense thickness of your frame. So we give a numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we increase values, frame thickness also increase in the same proportion. Yeah, you are also right, that is your border attribute that set thickness of your frame. Good. Second last question, which attribute set height of your image? Height. So So it is very easy to find out. It is your height attribute. Very good. And your last question is left. Which attribute set width of your image? So it's also very image. You will guess, I think. Yeah, right. You're saying right. It's a width attribute. Here we set numerical value with a percentage sign inside double quote. So you have cleared your test, and here you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks. Congratulations, you got 7 out of 7 marks. So let us we move to next phase. Yeah. Oh, it is one question. Do you know its answer? And your question is, what is cloud computing? You know, it is very popular, and unconsciously we are using cloud computing without knowing exact meaning. So I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is your answer. Cloud computing in the sense like when you are using internet to access any remote computer at your home or anywhere else, that services is called your cloud computing. So in cloud computing we get number of IT services, and here are number of websites that host our website. So whenever we use any computer which is very far away and we access its services, it could be hardware, it could be any software, any kind of services that comes under your cloud computing. So I think you have understood the meaning of your cloud computing. So your tutorial ends here. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and be a part of this channel. So thank you very much. Have a good day.